After discovering this recipe, I only make orange cake like this. The best part of this recipe is that you can make it in no time and with just a few ingredients. Adding 3 eggs into a bowl. I'll add 1 cup of sugar. I'll use this spatula to mix everything. Mix it well and you'll be amazed by the results of this recipe. I'll add 1 cup of oil. I'll keep mixing with the spatula. Take notes. These wonderful tips can only be found here. I'll add 1 cup of orange juice. When you make cake at home, what kind of ingredient do you like to add? If you know any special secret, feel free to share it with me. I'd love to know. I'll add 2 cups of wheat flour. I'm using this sieve to make it easier to blend with the other ingredients. I bet you're also finding this preparation method quite simple. It's an amazing recipe, quick, easy, and there's no reason not to make it at home. Now, I'll add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. I'll mix one more time with the spatula. This has become one of my favorite recipes since the first time I tried it. Now, I can't stop making it. I'll transfer everything to this greased pan here. I'll bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. After that, it will look like this. In a pan, I'll add 1 cup of sugar. I'll also add 1 cup of orange juice. I'll turn on the stove and mix with the spatula, keeping the temperature low. Stir well until it reaches this texture here. It's perfect. Back to the cake. I'll poke some holes so that I can pour the topping over it. This process ensures that the topping soaks evenly throughout the cake. If you're enjoying this preparation method, you'll love my next tips. I still have plenty of special recipe secrets to teach you bit by bit. I'll pour the topping I prepared over the entire cake. That's right, just like this. Just looking at it is making me hungry. Now I'll let it rest until the cake absorbs everything. It'll look like this. Done. Now all that's left is to cut it and enjoy this delicious treat.